Welcome to MyBinding.com. The official NFL staplers by Swingline take supporting your team to a new level of professionalism.
With this 49er stapler, yeah!
It's like a normal Swingline 747 stapler.
But it's a 49er stapler!
To load staples, lift the top cover and insert your staples. Then bring the cover back down.
Woo-wee!
It takes standard 1/4 inch staples.
Go, go, go!
Push the back tab on the bottom to open the stapler so you can tack pages to the wall.
I love the 49ers!
Like the 747, it staples up to 25 sheets of paper at a time.
Go Niners! Yeah!
You can even rotate the staple pad for an extruding staple pattern.
But it's a 49er stapler! Yeah! Woo!